My name is Ghadir Kunna. I am a Sudanese American. I am 45 years old. I'm a cancer survivor. This year, September, would be 1 year I am cancer-free. I found the first lumps when I was 29 years old. There is a lot of misconception that breast cancer comes to women in their 40s, which is when they should do a mammogram and stuff like that. But I guess I learned very young that that's not the case. They were benign, and I kept following them throughout the years. 4 years ago, they started mutating at a different rate and changing the way they look. But being challenged on a life and death, where you have to fight every day, not knowing if you're gonna pull through, but you just know you're gonna have to give it 100%, because it's really you and only you or your neck on the line. I'd say cancer made me much stronger than I ever thought I could be. I think the initiatives like the Burjuman Walk and the Walkathon, and as well as the Save and Sound, such initiatives are very important for the society, mainly to raise awareness that cancer can strike. And for people who feel sorry for us, they need to stop feeling sorry. We don't feel sorry for ourselves. And for those who do feel sorry for themselves, snap out of it. So yes, be positive. You can beat it. It is doable. You can do it, and you will do it.